Welcome to Quiz Arena! You'll get 45 science questions divided into 3 levels: easy, medium, and hard. Each question has 3 options, and you have 5 seconds to answer. Think fast and test your knowledge. Let's begin! Easy level. What is the chemical symbol for water? H2O. Which planet is known as the red planet? Mars. How many legs does a spider have? What gas do humans breathe in to survive? Oxygen. What is the nearest star to Earth? The Sun. What part of the plant absorbs water? Root. Which force pulls objects toward Earth? Gravity. What is the freezing point of water in Celsius? 0 degrees Celsius. What is the main gas in Earth's atmosphere? Nitrogen. What type of animal is a frog? Amphibian. What is the boiling point of water in Celsius? 100 degrees Celsius. What organ pumps blood in the human body? Heart. How many bones are in an adult human body? 206. What do bees collect from flowers? Nectar. What do plants release during photosynthesis? Oxygen. Medium level. What gas do plants absorb from the air? Carbon dioxide. What is the hardest natural substance on Earth? Diamond. Which planet has the most moons? Jupiter. What is the smallest unit of life? Cell. What is Earth's only natural satellite? Moon. What is the main function of red blood cells? Carry oxygen. What vitamin do humans get from sunlight? Vitamin D. Which metal is liquid at room temperature? Mercury. What is the most abundant element in the universe? Hydrogen. Which animal is known for changing its color? Chameleon. What is the center of an atom called? Nucleus. What is the chemical formula for table salt? NaCl. What is the study of plants called? Botany. What is the second most abundant gas in Earth's atmosphere? Oxygen. What is the powerhouse of the cell? Mitochondria. Hard level. What is the study of earthquakes called? Seismology. Which subatomic particle has a negative charge? Electron. What does DNA stand for? Deoxyribonucleic acid. What type of rock is formed from lava? Igneous. What is the process of splitting atoms called? Nuclear fission. What is the SI unit of force? Newton. What is the main component of the sun? Hydrogen. Which part of the brain controls balance? Cerebellum. What is the smallest bone in the human body? Stapes. Which gas is used in neon lights? Neon. What is the chemical formula for methane? CH4. What type of blood cells fight infections? White blood cells. Which layer of Earth's atmosphere absorbs UV radiation? Ozone layer. Which organ in the human body produces insulin? Pancreas. What is the speed of light in a vacuum? 299,792 kilometers per second. That's the end of the quiz. How many did you get right? Let us know in the comments. If you liked this quiz, subscribe for more. See you next time.